Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook app if it's not working, with multiple solutions on how to fix all of the glitches and errors on your iPhone or iOS device. So basically I have the Facebook app on the bottom left of my screen. I'm going to open it. We're at the McLaren page. And basically if it's glitching or not loading, or there's a black screen or something like that, what you can do is press and hold from the very bottom and swipe up until you actually find all of the current applications that are open on your device. And then from there you can press and hold into the certain application and swipe that up, and that will actually close the application so that you can go back onto it and press the Facebook app. That will relaunch the app right there, as we can see. So basically, if that doesn't fix your errors, then we can move on to the next step right here. You do need to make sure that you have a good internet connection to use social media applications. So go up to the settings here and then make sure and go down to the Wi-Fi section and make sure that you're connected to a good internet stable source. I'm connected to this EE Wi-Fi, all bars, so everything's going correctly. You can also connect to a personal hotspot, or if you go out of the settings, go to your mobile data, make sure that mobile data is turned on, it's toggled on right there. Below that, the roaming is on as well. And basically Facebook might not be working because it might not actually have mobile data access. So you can swipe down here, go down to the Facebook application, find it from within the mobile data section, and you can see that it's currently toggled off at the moment. You want to toggle it back on so that it does have access to use mobile data and actually run the app as intended. However, if things are still not working, you can swipe up and go to the App Store, this blue button in the middle of my home screen, press in there, go down to the bottom right, and then up at the top, start typing in Facebook, press the search button, and that's going to find you a bunch of listings right here. Go to Facebook, the first organic listing, and then on the right hand side there's a grayed out button with blue text. It says the word open. That means that we're currently running the latest version of the software of this app. So if it does say for you the word update, that means that you're not using the correct, most up-to-date version of the app. Press the word update, press the button, it will download all of the files, all of the new files for you onto your device, and hopefully that solves all of the glitches and bugs for your Facebook application on your iOS device. However, if you're still having issues, you can go back to settings, go out of here, scroll down to general, and then find iPhone storage, click into there, and now we need to find the Facebook application. It's right here. Click into Facebook, and this is where we can clear the cache from. And it's this button, offload app, in blue text. Press that, and then from there confirm by pressing offload app again. That will clear all of the cache from this device, and you can press the reinstall app button to re-download the app onto your iOS device. So guys, if there's still problems and you're still not able to run Facebook correctly, what you can do is essentially just delete the Facebook app from your device from within this section right here. Press the delete app button, confirm by pressing delete app again. That will remove Facebook from your device, and then from there, go back to the App Store, find Facebook, press the sort of cloud icon with the downwards pointing arrow on the right hand side. That will re-download Facebook onto your device, and hopefully after everything downloads successfully, you can click into there and everything should be working correctly again. However guys, if things are still not working as they should, make sure to actually contact Facebook directly. Speak to them on their website via an email address, a phone number, or a live chat option, and walk them through all of the different difficulties that you are experiencing. And if it's still not working and you're still not able to actually load and run Facebook properly, then please comment down below on this video, and I will try and figure out a way for you to make sure that you can start using Facebook again on your iPhone or iOS device. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.